So our main objective here is to complete every single chapter, revise each and every one of them multiple times for each and every subject. Sounds like a lot, but it is a lot easier than you think. It is not difficult, and here's how. So the first thing is to create a basic outline and knowing what you're gonna study, like you're revising. So first round of reading and watching lectures is already done. Things you need to do before revision: firstly, you need to finish the chapter. How to finish the chapter? Watch a lecture, read notes, whatever you want to do, just do. Finish it fast. Do not spend much time on a single chapter, even if it's important. The more time you spend on it, it's more likely that you will get confused or it just gets complicated. Try to finish every single chapter within 1 to 2 days. Just saying the first round of studying. And here's where all the revision starts. So after every lecture or every class that you're attending, you're supposed to come back, go through the notes, or just take your textbook and read that portion. जितना आपके टीचर ने पढ़ाया उतना ही वापस से read कर लो and read a little extra, like whatever is going to be taught in the next class or next lecture, whatever you're doing. Just read a bit extra for the chapters that have already been done and you haven't done these things. Then it's okay. Don't worry, it's fine. You can still do it now. And for upcoming chapters, stay regular. Keep studying a bit every single day, and it will really help you. Last में जाके कुछ stress नहीं होगा and you'll be all fine. So the main revision is through question answers. You could do the 10-year papers. Take your textbook, see every single question, try to write down the entire answer, time yourself. If you're not able to answer certain questions, just open the answer key, copy it down, learn while you're copying. As I always say, copying is not wrong unless you're not learning anything from it. Then it's a total waste. So if you're learning while copying also, that is also recommended. And for certain subjects like science and maths, I would recommend using reference books. They're in a question answer format, which makes it a lot easier in learning. For example, you could use books like Oswal together with Rachna Sagar. Oswal Publishers has this book called Most Likely, which is really amazing. Like, I will show you a little screen over here. You can check out the link in description to buy. So as you can see that every single question answer is given in quite detail. You can learn from here. This book is quite good, I would say. It's in a question answer format, as I already told you. Like, every single question has a very detailed answer. In the beginning of the book, there is a little mind map section. After that, every single type of question answer is covered, like short answer type, long answer type. For science subjects especially, I would definitely recommend, because practicing is the only way you get good at science. Once you're done doing the entire chapter, you have done the questions, you will feel very confident. After that, after every few days, like after every 7 days or 8 days, I would like to revise again. Take your notes, read it again, or make a little voice note that you can keep replaying every 3 to 4 days. If you revise multiple times, like 5 to 6 times before your exam, you will easily be able to recall in the paper. You will know what you're writing and it will take you a lot less time. You will finish the entire paper very quickly and you'll have time for revision and you will be a lot stress free, So if you're not making notes right now, some people do prefer not making notes. So I would tell you, you take the textbook itself and then just read the heading. Read every single subheading of your textbook. Subheadings only, read it once. Then take a piece of paper, close your textbook, write all the subheadings down without seeing, and after that try to write what all information you remember in that subheading. So whatever you remember, you write, and after that you can open your textbook, see what all points you have missed. By this method, you will actually focus on things that you are forgetting and also revising what you have already learned and what is already stored in your head. It is probably one of the best methods that will help you for sure. And after every chapter there is a little summary section. I definitely recommend learning that, like mugging it up. Trust me, it helps. You can get some basic points out of it and it will really help you. Definitely do that. Practice is needed throughout. Like, do not stop practicing. Once you're done with your syllabus, question answers, 10-year papers, you can have sample papers or pre-board papers from different years that you will find in my Telegram groups and my WhatsApp groups. All the links are in the description. Definitely join, it will really help you. It's been helping so many students and trust me, it's worth it. Like, it's for free, so it doesn't really make a difference. You can just join. Coming to the schedule, how to revise on a daily basis. For example, I'm starting today. Today I will just take a chapter and revise it very nicely. I will see all my notes, I will read the textbook again, I will just see all my question answers that I've done, or if I've not done, I will just see the textbook and learn everything. Just try to recall everything. And then tomorrow what I will do is revise this same chapter again and a new chapter. And on the third day, I will revise the new chapter of tomorrow and not do today's chapter. I'll do another chapter, and then after 2 to 3 days, like the first time when you're revising, it should be 2 days continuous, then give 1 day break, then revise, then give 5 days break. Like, you need to keep a little gap and it'll really help you build your memory. It also varies on the subject and how you learn the subject. Like, personally, revising science and maths would not be a big problem for me, but revising history, geography would be a bit difficult. So I would revise those subjects more. So you need to customize a little bit on your own. Check out my entire ICSE playlist. It will really help you learn all your chapters, understand everything. How to study is the most important thing. How to study, how to score good marks. Like, even if you're studying, some people are studying so hard but not scoring good marks. Every single thing is being covered. So subscribe also to stay tuned, otherwise इतने सारे अच्छे videos आपके miss out हो जाएंगे. Another thing that is very annoying among students is that they leave doubts. Why do you do that? Like, literally, if you get a doubt, clear it as soon as possible. Take a highlighter or just take an extra copy, write down every single thing you want to ask, like write the page number down and just highlight it in your textbook. Go to school or whichever teacher you have, go ask them, or just Google online. Do something, but don't leave doubts. Comment down below that you are gonna start revising every single chapter from now. So, a little how to revise complete overview in just a few minutes. Number 1, create an outline. Number 2, break down the material. Do not sit and revise the entire chapter together. Read one paragraph, then take a little 2-second break. Yes, 2-second break. Then do another paragraph. Like that, break down your material. If you study the entire thing all together, it'll be too much for you. You'll feel like not doing anything and you'll just procrastinate. And that is how to avoid that. Do small chunks. Use bullet points and point form, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Number every sentence. I used to do this in history and civics. This is done when you're studying, but if you have not done it, then you can do it while revising. It's up to you. Like, however you have done it, but number, it'll help you remember, it'll help you revise also, and it'll help you memorize. Number 4, be concise. Do not study extra. Take your textbook, read the subheadings, read the headings. Organize logically and statistically. Like, see what chapter is important, revise those first. Make your entire schedule like that. Revising important topics and difficult topics first will really help you gain a bit of confidence. Number 6, highlight important information. Like, it is a subconscious thing. Whenever you see something highlighted, it will go inside your brain. You will remember that. Like, trust me, if you see a question in your exam paper, you'll see that, oh my god, I had highlighted this. मुझे याद है answer. Yes, do that. Number 7, use visual representation. Use diagrams, use charts, tables, all of that. You can see the flow chart in different books and all. All these books are available for free on my Telegram and other Google Drive links as well. So definitely check those out. It's all for free. But to join, you need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. So if you don't subscribe, you will not be able to join. So subscribe. Number 8, summarize. Use summary points. learn everything, make a little short overview like इस chapter में क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं, वो तो आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में ही मिल जाएगा, तो उधर से ही पढ़. Number 9, use abbreviations and symbols. Like if you're writing down and practicing, do not write the entire big word again and again. I don't know, it's just annoying, waste a lot of time. Write short forms like and बना दे. But in the final exam, don't be so used to this that final exam में भी कर रहे हो. Like proper लिखना भी आना चाहिए आपको. Review and test yourself. Do tenure papers and also check out pre-board papers of different schools. All provided in the Telegram group for free. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for all upcoming videos. It'll really help you. Trust me, it's not helping me that much, but it'll help you. So I'll see you chalo in the next one. I love you.